Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and I will show you how you can move this speaker to the pairing mode. That's very simple. You have to tap on the power button once. Right now our device is turned on. To move it to the pairing mode, just click once on the Bluetooth icon. Let's tap one more time. As you can see right now everything is fine. And right now the JBL Charge appears on the available devices, so it means that we are ready to pair this device to our smartphone. So just tap once and there it is, we are connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.